Shalom. First, I want to give all praise to Yahweh and Yahweh Shai, the honors to the apostles and elders of GreatMillStone. And I want to say Yahweh and Yahweh Shai, Hashem Kakadash Brakatham to the whole elect out there, man. This is just a quick impromptu. I was with the brothers, we were just doing a video, Lord willing, edifying the elect, man. Just a thought occurred to me that a couple of times, just a couple of times when we were talking, man, the Lord had it where we think of the same scriptures at the same time, blurt it out at the same time, and I was a spirit. It just made me think about certain scriptures. I just want to go into that, man, okay, about brotherhood and unity. This is Matthew chapter 18, verse 20. For where 2 or 3 are gathered together in my name, there am I in the midst of them. Okay, so when the Lord is supping with the elect, man. Okay, so when you come together in His name and you gather, okay, that's a strong vibration that we push out there, man. Okay, when brothers unite and come together and push this truth, push this word, as we do at camp and as we throughout the week as we get together. Okay, it says when 2 or 3 are gathered together in my name, there I am in the midst. So the Lord's with us, man. Okay, Yahushua is right there with us, pushing with us, man. Okay, hastening the day when we can basically get out of here, man, and the Lord can lay the smackdown on all our enemies, man. Okay, and I'm just going to get a couple of scriptures and get into the main point. This is Proverbs 27 and 17. Iron sharpeneth iron, so a man sharpeneth the countenance of his friend. Okay, it's important to stay in contact with brothers, because brothers are all we got, man. You can't have a conversation about anything real deep with anyone in your family or your so-called family and all that, or anyone in the world, people at work, whatever. Your woman. They ain't hearing that, man. It's the brothers that are really going to be. Scriptures say, ignorant anything small or great. Basically, brothers are going to be able to talk about all manner of things in life, man. You're going to be able to talk about. You might be going to a shop and talking about the food that you buy from there, but you might go into the intricacies of the guy who's serving you and his behavior. It says with Solomon, okay, who was one of the wisest kings, wisest men before Yahushua came on the scene. Okay, but really, he was Yahushua in the reincarnation, right? He said that he went into the wisdom of the reasonings of men, as in like the psychology of things, man. Okay, so that those little points you can talk about it, and it says, "Iron sharpeneth iron, so a man sharpeneth the countenance of his friend." So you keep each other sharp, man. You keep each other to the point, man. And in this thing, man, and that's why it's good to come together, man. Alright, there's a quick scripture. This is Proverbs chapter 13, verse 1. Let brotherly love continue. Okay, and part of that love is to come together and tell your brother, look, man, these are your faults. This is what I noticed about you. You should work on this and work on that, and that brother will do the same for you, and then you build each other up, man. And that's how we build up the nation, man. Okay, that's how we show love, man, so that we can continue our love towards this work and towards our ministry, towards our salvation, towards Yahweh Shai, and keeping of the commandments, man. Yeah, we're in the flesh, we go off sometimes, but we'll keep you in check, keep you going, man. Okay, man, we bounce off each other's energy and vibration, and the Lord created this brotherhood for that, man. We're all part of the one body. Okay, now this is Hebrews chapter 10, verse 24. Actually, I'll start from 23. Let us hold fast the profession of our faith without wavering, for He is faithful that promised. Okay. And part of that wavering is that sometimes, you might pray for faith, and the Lord will use a brother to uplift that faith. You might hear the same certain spiritual thing that brother had to say to you, a man of the Lord. That's what it is, man. And let us consider one another to provoke unto love and to good works. Okay, coming together, and that was even coming together and do these videos. The Apostle Tahar made a decree. He said, 3 10-minute videos a week and a group video, and it's important to come together, man, as much as you can. Not only to push this word, but also to build each other up. Okay, and it says, and let us consider one another to provoke unto love and to good works. So both building each other up, in this faith, and also to good works, to doing that work, man. Okay, not only just on the video, on the camera, okay, for the whole world to see, but also in your everyday life, because the Most High's always got angels watching, man. It says 10,000 times brighter than the sun. Okay? They're talking about his eyes in the scriptures. You can look it up. So ultimately, man, Most High's always watching us, man. Okay? So you can't be like, be a nigger, 6 days in a week, and then you get together with an Akim, or you go to camp and all of a sudden you're a super Hebrew of the Hebrews. That's not how this thing works. It says, not forsaking the assembling of ourselves together as the manner of some is, but exhorting one another, and so much the more as you see the day approaching. And we see the day approaching, man. We're coming, prophecy being fulfilled, we're coming closer to the end. And as you come closer to the end, go get closer and closer. We've got to be a tighter unit, man. Okay? The Lord's getting us closer and closing up the breaches thereof, man. Okay? That's what the Lord's doing. It's who the Lord's doing, man. It's all prophecy, man. Okay? So we've got to strive to keep doing that. Keep linking, brothers. Keep checking up, man. If you live out far, brothers try and make the effort. Hey, if you can't link up physically, you got the internet, man. You got the Urim, man. You got the phone. Hey, link up, man. Anyway, I don't want to keep it that long. With that, just a quick exhortation. All praise to Yahweh Shemel Shai, Yahweh Shemel Shai, Basham, Kakadash Bakatham. Love on us to the Apostle, Elders, GreatMillStone for giving us this word, man. Teaching us this word, man. Lord giving us this word and then teaching us this word. Okay? With that, Shalom.